In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front door panel on a Honda CR-V, which is located on the inside of the front door. Now that you have your door open, you need to remove this panel here behind the speaker. Just pry straight out with your interior removal tool. You have one plug. You need to push that pin down and pull like that. That piece off to the side. Behind your door pull handle, there's another plate. Just get in there with your tool, pull straight out. You have two Phillips screws. You need to remove those. Put those off to the side. This panel here that holds your window switches, that needs to be removed. That comes straight up. So get in behind here with your tool. Pry straight up. And out. And you have your two connectors. Push the button down, pull straight out. Same thing for this. Push down, pull up. Now inside here, there's a little cover. You just need to pop that up. The little pick. Then you have a Phillips screw. And here you need to remove. Now you're ready to remove your door panel. Your door panel is held on by a bunch of clips all the way around it. You can stick your tool in here and pry forward towards you, or you can get a tool like this. Go around the door. Let's do one at a time. Then pull straight up. Unhook it from the door and rest it down. Now you have your two cables you need to remove. There's a white clip here. Get in there with a screwdriver and pull straight outwards. Like that. Take your cable, unclip it from the holder, swing it around, take it out. Same thing with here. Swing that around like that. Pull your cable down, and pull that out. Take your door panel, grab your cables, slide your door cable into its holder, lock it into the tab, swing your clip on, same thing with the top, the tab into its holder, lock that in. Take your door panel, slide it over the top first. Push your door panel towards the door. Make sure all your clips are clipped in. For your mirrors and your windows, make sure you hear the click. Same thing here. This piece goes down inside first. Then push straight down until it clips in. Now you can put your two screws in for your handle. These have a little shank on them, both of them. Put your cover back on. Snaps in. Plug your speaker back in. Take your panel, push till you hear it click. Phillips screw back into here. Install your cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.